The Lockheed Martin F-35 Lightning II is an American family of single-seat, single-engine, supersonic stealth strike fighters. It's a multirole combat aircraft designed for both air superiority and strike missions. The F-35 also has electronic warfare and intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance capabilities. Lockheed Martin is the prime F-35 contractor. Its principal partners are Northrop Grumman and BAE Systems. The aircraft has three main variants. First, the conventional takeoff and landing (CTOL) F-35. Second, the short takeoff and vertical STAR F-35B. And third, the carrier CV catapult assisted takeoff. This variant also features arrested recovery CATOBRF-35C. Each variant is designed for specific operational needs, making the F-35 versatile and advanced military